It's Wednesday, October 11th. Just getting back in the swing after being on our retreat this weekend. So anyway, it's been nice. Today's Wednesday, so we've got social knitting out there, but a light crowd tonight. So everybody must be busy or anticipating the rain that's coming. I'm not sure what, but anyway, it's not a bingo night, so it's all good. Had 4 great customers out there, so excited to have whoever wants to show up. All right. Firefly Notes is one of my favorite companies out of Canada. British Columbia, exactly. They do the enameled boxes, and she does stitch markers and several other items that are so unique. And every year she creates an advent calendar for the Christmas season. And this year's calendar is Fairy World and Celestial Sky. Fairy World and Celestial Night Sky. I'm sorry. So as you can see, there are 25 boxes, and behind each little box, can you hear? Behind each little box is a stitch marker. So let me just read what she has written, all right? Firefly Notes Stitch Marker Advent Calendar for Knitters is a tribute to the fairy world and celestial night sky. Each enamel charm on the end of your marker, enamel, that's lovely, they're going to have some color to them, has been lovingly custom designed and made to add a little magic to your project. On each of the 25 days you open the little fairy doors, you will discover one of 20 round stitch markers and 5 progress keepers. So those open and close. And all charms are unique to this year's calendar. In other words, not to have been seen before, which makes it even more special. So this makes a beautiful gift to yourself, to your favorite knitting person, or whatever. Put it on your wish list and tell your significant other or best friend to come in here and shop for you. This is a limited supply. I think I only have 10. And I'm not sure there are any more to be had. I ordered early just so I would make sure I had these. They are $78 a piece, and they're beautiful. It's this beautiful writing on the back. Absolutely lovely. So the Firefly Stitch Marker Advent Calendar for 2023. Don't miss out. All right. Today's the day of the girl, I think, or the woman, the girl, the female, the feminine side of life. So for all of us and all of you who are feminine and female, please celebrate yourself today and all that we have come to and plan to go to and surpass and break glass ceilings and all that other good stuff. I think all my ceilings are broken. I think I'm a little over the glass ceiling. However, I have a daughter who is right in that age group and is a mom and raising babies and children. So anyway, there are lots of wonderful stages in life, in the feminine life. So anyway, so cheers to all of us females, all right? Just a thought today. Anyway, well, I celebrate myself every day, I think. If you don't do yourself, who will? Correct? Right. All right. That's my nugget for the day. I will see you tomorrow.